Hello there guys, this is JackOneDay talking here, and today I've got another video for you. So today's video is a product review on this jellyfish tank. I'm going to go through how to set it up and the pros and cons of this specific product and tell you if I recommend it or not. Right, so basically I've just emptied the tank out, and all you got to do is take this plastic top off once you've obviously got it all out of the packaging. I haven't got the cardboard box I got it in because I've had this for about a year now, so I threw that away. But you just get this plastic cap that goes on top like that, so it will be literally in the box like this, the product, with the little plastic jellyfish like that there, see them? So they'll just be literally in a little plastic seal bag. Take them out. I've just got one tissue at the moment, so they'll dry up a little bit. But yeah, so basically, once you've got it all out of the box, what you're going to need is obviously the product, 2 little jellyfish, a jug of water. I've got, so this jug is just a litre jug of water with tap water in it. It's a lukewarm, so it's not cold and it's not hot, it's just room temperature sort of. And you also need just something like fairy liquid like this, just a little bit of it, you won't need much, and you'll see why you'll need that in a bit. Right, so step 1 would be to get a screwdriver before you do anything, and literally turn it over, and as you can see right there, there is a screw, if you can see that. So there you go, you undo that screw, put 3 AA batteries in it. Batteries are not included, as you can see, and this is not a toy. I repeat, this is not a toy. So yeah, once you've put batteries in it, like I've already done so, you just screw that back on, and then you're basically ready to go to put the water in. Right, so once you're to this point and you put the batteries in, then we can just take this plastic cap off at the top. It literally just sort of pops off like that. Don't screw or anything, it just pops off. And you see this little cap here, so you just take that off like so, like that, place that down, and now you are ready to put the water in. So down here is the little motor, and it also has an LED light, so I wouldn't turn it on just yet because there's nothing in it, so it'll just be sucking in air. But what you need to do is pour the water in, and then I'll tell you how much exactly you'll need, but I've got a litre there, so I'll do that now. Right, so I've filled it up, as you can see, and I've literally got about that much left on a litre jug, so I'd say it needed about 500 millilitres of water, so half a litre. So I filled it up basically right to the top, as you can see, and there's a tiny little air pocket still of air, and yeah, it's just not overflowing out of here, but as you can see I can touch it with my finger right there. But now you're ready to put some fairy liquid in. So now get your dishwasher liquid and basically just put a few drips in. So what this is going to do is allow the water to be a little bit more slippery, and it will make the jellyfish sort of move a lot better within the water. So just put a couple of drips in. Oh, spill a little bit. Just like so. So now you're ready to put the jellyfish in. So basically you just grab one, make sure they look like this, and you can pinch on it, don't worry about that. And then literally just pop it in like so. See, the problem is at first they'll float at the top, but it will slowly sink down, as you can see. Put the second one in, and what you want to do, if possible, is once you took them out of the plastic seal, just run them under the tap before you put them in, just so they're a little bit wet. Otherwise they might be quite stuck together with this bit round here. And if that's stuck together like this bit, then it won't basically allow it to float around the tank. Right, so now once they're in, you can basically get the cap like so, pop that back on top, just putting some pressure on it. And now once you've done that, you want to obviously make sure, because it's not a very strong cap, it's just a little plastic cap, you want to make sure that you don't tip this upside down. So don't pick it up and turn it upside down, because otherwise water will come out. And then you can just simply get this cap, put that on top, and you're ready to go. So here goes nothing. Flip the switch. There we go. At first it might not look so great, but what you want it to do is just let it run round, let the water run round the little filter at the bottom, and let it sort of swirl around all that fairy liquid. And as you see, the jellyfish are starting to like swim around. As you can see with this one, it's a round circle top and all the way around, and I really like it because it's neat. It helps show the reflections, and you get quite a nice like particle effect inside the water, and it's really nice. One thing I do recommend is if you've got distilled water, use that instead of tap water, because it's a lot better at keeping clean. But I've had this for over a year and I've only changed the water now, so it wasn't dirty before, and it's amazing. And that was just with tap water. But if you've got distilled water, then use that, because it's more likely to be cleaner and last longer, and it won't cause limescale to potentially build up in the little pump at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to this exact product in the description down below, so make sure you use that link or search for it on Amazon, because this product I do highly recommend, as it's a great little product just to add to your desk. Like I have it over there in the corner with my window shut and the lights down, and you can really see it come to life. And it's just one of them cheap little items that brings the desk together. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification on, and watch more of my other videos because I've got way more videos like this. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.